Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Z254F zero-turn mower. This mower comes with a 54-inch fabricated ClearCut cutting deck. There is LED front headlights, as well as a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck. This mower has a mid back seat with armrest. There is a spout for easy cleaning of your cutting deck. This mower does have a 6-position cutting system, as well as robust 18-inch back tires. There is a 26 horsepower Kohler 7000 series engine, as well as the maintenance-free hydro gear CT2200 transmission. We have our fuel tank, as well as the controls with the ignition, hour meter, throttle. This mower has a plastic chute. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z254F. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.